Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, or we can say a new unit, that is a watering rhyme. It is part of unit number 8. Here in the display, on the display, you can see unit number 7, but it is wrong. In the textbooks, it is unit number 8, watering rhyme. In this unit, we will understand at what time we should water the plant, how to take care of the plants, okay, at what time we should not give water to plants, okay, and what is the perfect time to water the plants. So these many things we are going to learn with the help of this uh, unit number 7, particularly a watering rhyme. So first of all, we are going to learn summary of this poem, a watering rhyme. A watering rhyme, it's a poem which is done by P.A. Ropes. Okay, so three things we are going to learn. First one, that is a watering rhyme. Second one, the giving tree, and last, the donkey. So three things that we will learn today. If it is not possible, then today we are going to just learn only poem, because I want this unit to be divided into two parts. Okay, so it will be easy to understand for you. Summary क्या है that I am going to tell you. So please open your ear and try to understand what I am going to say. The poet tells us about the correct time for watering plants. Early morning or evening is the most suitable time to water any plants. कवि हमें पौधों में पानी देने के सही समय की जानकारी देता है। सुबह सुबह या शाम पौधों में पानी देने का सही समय होता है। सो हियर वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट which is the proper time to water the plants, that is early in the morning or evening time. So here the poet tells us about the correct timing for the watering plants. So इस कविता के अंदर जो हम सीखने जा रहे हैं वो है कि पेड़ पौधों को कौन से समय में, कौन से टाइम पे पानी देना चाहिए। ठीक है, सो यहाँ पर दो पर्टिकुलर टाइम दिए गए हैं। कौन से है वो? अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग और इन द इवनिंग। वी मस्ट नेवर वाटर these plants at noon. Watering plants at noon kills them. So the sentences that I have spoken, in which we understood that we should not water the plants at the noon time, because noon time is very hard or harsh, or we can say very powerful, and it is very heat. Okay, so दोपहर के दरमियान हम प्लांट्स को पानी देते हैं नहीं। दोपहर के समय हमें पौधों में कभी पानी नहीं देना चाहिए। दोपहर में पौधों में पानी देने से वे मर जाते हैं। Yes, if you water the plants in the noon time, then what happen? Your plants will be died and you will be unhappy. And if you want your plants to be grown up, then you must water them. Particularly time which is given there is in the evening or in the morning. But if you fail to understand a proper time to water the plants, then your plants will be died. Okay, he tells that mouth of plants lie in their roots, so we must water the plants around the soil near the roots of the plants. So यहाँ पर जो पोएट है वो कहना चाहता है कि जो प्लांट्स का जो मुंह है, ओके, एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, फ्रॉम विच पार्ट वी डू eat do we eat? Okay, so from through the mouth. Okay, so it is our root. What is our root? It is mouth. If you do not put any food into the mouth, are you able to eat anything? No. So here in the plants, what is the root part of, where is the mouth of the plants? It is roots. So we must water the plants around the soil. So हमें जो प्लांट्स के रूट के अंदर ही पानी देना चाहिए, उसके आसपास. अगर आपने उसके पत्ते पे या हेड पे पानी डाला तो इट विल नॉट वर्क टू ग्रो दिस प्लांट अप. कवि हमें सलाह देता है कि पौधों की जड़ों में उनका मुंह होता है, अंततः हमें पौधों की जड़ों के चारों ओर मिट्टी भूमि में पानी डालना चाहिए. सो हियर पोएट wants us to water the plants at the root. Okay, because roots are considered as the mouth of the plants. So जो root है वो plants के mouth कहलाए जाते हैं. Consequently, plants will be able to drink water throughout the day and they will grow well. परिणाम स्वरूप पौधों को सारे दिन पानी मिलता रहेगा और वे अच्छे से बढ़ेंगे. इफ़ यू पुट वाटर, इफ़ यू गिव वाटर द प्लांट्स टू देयर रूट और एट द रूट्स, देन थ्रू आउट द होल डे दैट प्लांट्स विल बी गिवन वाटर and slowly and gradually they will grow well. So it is the discussion about a watering rhyme. Okay, it is a discussion about a watering rhyming. Now I am also going to discuss about the hard words which are given in this poem. So I have not underlined hard words in the textbook. So जो भी हार्ड वर्ड्स मैं बोलता हूँ वो हार्ड वर्ड्स आप अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक के अंदर पेंसिल से अंडरलाइन कर देना और उसको समझने का ट्राई करना विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वीडियो. बिकॉज वॉट एवर हार्ड वर्ड्स आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक, द ऑल दोज हार्ड वर्ड्स आर गिवन इन दिस पोएम. ठीक है, इस पोएम के अंदर वो हार्ड वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं जो मैं भी बोलने जा रहा हूँ. ठीक है, so you can underline with the pencil as per your convenience. So first hard words that I am going to speak is hour. HOUR मीन्स 60 मिनट. एक घंटे को बोलते हैं 60 मिनट्स. वाटरिंग, WATERING, वाटरिंग मतलब गिविंग वाटर टू द प्लांट्स. सो इट इज़ द प्रोसेस टू वाटर द प्लांट्स. जो गार्डनर होते हैं वो पानी जब पौधों को देते हैं, सो इट इज़ दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड वाटरिंग टू द प्लांट्स. Noonday, NOONDAY. Noonday means 12 o'clock at midday. Means after, from the 12 to 4 o'clock, between the 12 to 4, this time is considered as noonday. और we can say दोपहर के 12 बजे. Root, 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 part of a plant that grows underground. Root means a mouth of the, root means it is the main thing of the, main thing of the tree, or we can say plant, because root is considered as mouth of the plant. So part of a plant that grows under the ground, जो ज़मीन के अंदर होते हैं उसको बोलते हैं root, जड़. BOOT, 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 boot. You can see the boot here. Yes, boots. Big shoes which cover half legs. आधे आधे पैरों को ढकने वाला बड़े जूते. So you may have seen that in the particular company, in the fertilizer company, you might have seen that some worker used to wear such shoes which covers the whole half of the leg. कुछ ऐसे शूज होते हैं जो अपने नी तक मीन्स घुटन तक जो कवर करते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं बूट्स. ओके. सोक, SOAK, सो एब्जॉर्ब लिक्विड. पानी सोखना मीन्स व्हेन यू पुट द वाटर द प्लांट्स, ओके, एंड दिस वाटर्स विल बी डिसअपियर स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली, उसको बोलते हैं SOAK, सोक. हीट मीन्स वार्मथ, ताप. हीट मतलब जो गर्मी होती है उसको बोलते हैं हीट, ताप. अर्थ, EARTH, अर्थ मीन्स ग्राउंड सॉइल, भूमि, जमीन. अर्थ मतलब जमीन. So it is the discussion about the summary and the hard words. Okay. So I hope you clear about this both the things. So now I want to discuss about this poem. I am going to recite this poem as well as I will also do explanation along with the recitation. So please try to understand what I am saying. So name of the poem is A Watering Rhyme. Early in the morning or the evening hour are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. So in this poem, poet says that a proper time to water the plants is morning or the evening. Instead of this two, you do not select any particular time to water the plants. If you select any other time, then it is not okay, it is not good for the plants. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. When the sun is very heat in the noon time, okay, and it gives its best light heat to the people or to the earth, at that time we should not water the plants. If you water the plants in the noon time, then what will happen? Our plants will be died and they will not grow up. Also, when you water at the roots, means whenever you water the plants, think about one thing, that is, or take care of one thing, that is, we should water the plants at the roots, because roots are the considered as a mouth of the plants. As a human being, we used to eat food through the mouth. As the same way, plants needs to drink water or absorb water through the roots. So that is why roots are considered as a mouth of the plants. Flowers keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. इन फूलों के मुख है वही होते हैं जहाँ हम अपने बूट पहनते हैं. मीन्स वेयर वी वियर द शूज़, जहाँ हम शूज़ पहनते हैं वहीं उनके मुख होते हैं. मुख मतलब मुंह. सोक द अर्थ अराउंड दैम, soak the earth around them, then through all the heat the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. उनकी चारों ओर मिट्टी में डालो, फिर उसकी गर्मी से प्यासे पैरों के लिए गीली मिट्टी से वे पिएंगे पानी. सो अराउंड द रूट्स मीन्स रूट्स के आजू बाजू पानी डालना बहुत ही आवश्यक है. अगर आप उसके ऊपर उसके लीव्स के ऊपर डालोगे, so it will not help, the water will not help that plants to be grow up. So here poet suggests that if you want to water the plants, water them at the roots. Water at their roots. Okay. So it is the explanation of the chapter. It is the explanation of the chapter. I hope you understood. And next class we will discuss exercise of this unit or this poem. So try to understand this video properly. Okay. And I hope you all will look or you all will observe this video and understand. Thank you very much.